In this video we're going to look at where lines and circles cross each other and touch each other. So for instance, if we look at this circle here, we have a circle and we have a line cross it, and it crosses it in two places. So we would have 2 points there where it crosses. If we look at this one over here though, we have a circle and we have a line, but it just crosses it in one place. And if a line crosses a circle in just one place, we call that line a tangent to the circle. Also, if I were to join that point where it crosses back to the center of the circle, it makes a 90-degree angle with the tangent. Okay, so that line there makes a 90-degree angle with this line here. Right, so an example then of a question that you might get. It says find where the line x plus 2y equals 5 crosses the circle x squared plus y squared equals 10. Okay, here's how I go about that. Step 1. I'll write x in terms of y in the equation of a line. Or I could write y in terms of x. So what I mean by this is I'll write down the equation and then I'll say x equals 5 minus 2y. Alright? So that's just saying x is the same as 5 minus 2y. Next step then, I'll take the equation of a circle. X squared plus y squared equals 10. But instead of writing in x, I'll put in the 5 minus 2y. So I'll replace x with 5 minus 2y squared plus y squared equals 10. Now why did I do that? Because in this equation and this equation I had 2 unknowns. However, now after replacing the x with the 5 minus 2y, if you look here, I have an equation but only one unknown, the y's. So I should be able to solve that. So I'm going to square out this first, and I'll get 5 minus 2y, 5 minus 2y, and then I add in the plus y squared, which is from here, equals 10. I'll square out these brackets and I'll get 25 minus 10y minus 10y plus 4y squared. And I have another y squared here and equals 10. If I simplify this, I'll have 25 minus 20y plus 5y squared equals 10. And just again simplifying and making it a bit neater, so I have 5y squared minus 20y plus 15 equals 0. I have a quadratic. I could divide across by 5 and I'll get y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. Now I solve for y, so I factorize it out first, let both equal 0, and I will get y numbers that multiply together to give me 3 and 1, and they will add to give me 4, and they're both minuses. Let both equal 0, so y minus 3 equals 0, so y equals 3, and y minus 1 equals 0, so y equals 1. If we notice then, we have 2 answers for y. As soon as we get 2 different answers, we know then that the line, I better draw a bit better than that, the line crosses the circle in 2 places, right? I have my y values. I don't have my x values. Step 3 then. Step 3. Slot y value back into line equations. Our equation. And the line equation is x plus 2y equals 5. So x plus 2y equals 5. I'll slot y equals 3 in first. So x plus 2, 3 is equal to 5. x plus 2 3s equals 5, so x plus 6 equals 5, so x equals minus 1. So the point it crosses is minus 1 for the x value, 3 for the y. There's one point. We do it again, x plus 2y equals 5. This time I take the y equals 1 value. So x plus 2 1s equals 5. So x plus 2 equals 5. So x equals 3. So we have 3 and 1. So there's the 2 points it crosses. And they asked me then, by getting these 2 points, here and here, investigate, is the line a tangent to the circle? No, it's not. Okay? The reason it's not is because we get 2 answers. If back here my y values were the same, so if it was y equals 3 and y equals 3, well then I would have 1 point where it crosses the line and it would be a tangent. But if I have 2 answers, it's not a tangent. Okay, thank you.